Help! 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 I'm stuck down here. Can anybody help me?
Eddie, when the pandemic started, you swore to pursue the fun of life. Yet now, you're back to slanging drinks at a bar. Would you like to play a game?
Yes.
Wait, what?
You got me again, Jigsaw.
Nobody ever says yes to playing a game with me. Hey, Killer Bloody, by the way.
Oh, thank you so much. Appreciate that.
Hey, how about next we play a game of Xbox?
Sure. Jigsaw.
Jigsaw and Eddie. Now on Lionsgate Plus.
Jigsaw.
Would you like to play a game? Then comment and subscribe below. Tell me what your favorite scary movie is. I'd love to know. I love scary movies. The Saw franchise is like my big weakness. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.